Bitcoin has been pumping in the last 24 hours after receiving a buy signal here, and the Trade Confident account is up $18,186 in just a short amount of time. This is an extremely exciting move for Bitcoin, and today I'm going to be showing you where I think Bitcoin is heading next. Let's get started. Before we dive into the analysis, I want to let you know Trade Confident has one more trade win. This puts us at 16 wins, 0 losses with 4 open trades. We also have our Inner Circle Hangout coming up this Thursday. It's going to be on April 27th, 2023, starting at 3 p.m. Pacific time. Travis, Josh, and I will be on the call, and if you have any questions, if you want to just come and learn, if you want to hang out with fellow members, links are in the description for the membership. With the full access, you can get access to those Inner Circle Hangouts and access to those trade calls. More on that later, but for now, let's jump into the analysis. Here we are on the TradeConfident.io website. We're going to scroll down to Bitcoin, and the very first metric we're taking a look at today is the Bitcoin Emotional Index. After dropping all the way into fearful, we got that move up. This is exactly what we were expecting and exactly what we called out in the video on Monday. In response to the move up, traders are feeling much more neutral in the market. This is great to see, and personally, I'm looking for this metric to rise into excited or even possibly greedy before moving back down. And what this means is we have plenty of room. As this happens, it's looking like Bitcoin volatility is increasing like crazy. We just pushed way above into high volatility. This is great to see. And the more volatility in the market, the more likely you are to see profits. So high volatility is a very good thing. Personally, I'm expecting to see a little bit of a lower volatility as we retest this structure resistance. As we do, we'll probably switch around a little bit, staying within a small range before making the next move. We'll keep everyone updated on what that looks like, and heading on into the Bitcoin Whale Smart Money metric. Whales have officially really been putting in their longs. There's still a tiny little bar towards long trade sentiment. Personally, from what I'm seeing of the rest of the metrics, I'm expecting whales to continue pushing money into the market. So I would expect this long trade sentiment to last a little bit longer, at least until short trade sentiment drops below -800. Once we see that, that's when we can expect moves down in the market. But until then, I expect the price to move upwards. Heading on down to the Bitcoin major support and resistance levels, we have structure resistance, a brand new structure resistance that posted today at $31,050. That will be the first structure resistance that we test moving forwards. Moving on now to the Bitcoin long versus short trades, we are seeing long trades very slowly trickling into the market, and this is of course correlated with a move up. No surprise there. And last but not least, we have the Bitcoin daily trade scanner, where we got a buy signal just a few days ago that correlated exactly to this move up. This comes after a beautiful strong sell signal and a couple of other sell signals that worked out pretty well. Now, of course, this metric will not be exactly accurate, especially as we move into the bull market. We will see periods of strong sells like we saw right here and back here that actually correlate to crazy moves up, and this is caused by short squeezes. This will happen pretty often as we move into the bull market because bearish signals will have to be invalidated. We'll keep everyone updated on what that looks like as things happen. As soon as we do see a sell or strong sell signal posted around this range, that's when we're expecting the next move down. Of course, we'll keep everyone updated, but if you want to get access to all of these metrics on your own, you do want to be keeping track of Bitcoin, whether you trade it or not, because where Bitcoin goes, the rest of the crypto market goes too. I highly recommend getting access to these Bitcoin metrics. You're also going to want to join us for our Inner Circle Hangout. This happens every single month, and it's coming up this Thursday, April 27th from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Pacific time. You can also get access to our trade setups, where we are now 16 wins, 0 losses with 4 trades pending. If you want to get access to all that and more, you can join our membership at the links in the description. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and our membership is the very first link. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our membership page where you can get the full access for $59 a month. This will give you access to all 20 coins worth of metrics, our Zoom calls that are coming up, the scalping trades that you saw just won a brand new trade, and many more features. So if you want to join us, just click the link, follow the prompts, and we hope to trade with you soon. With that, let's check out the live charts. Here we are looking at Bitcoin on the 1-day time frame using the trend dashboard, TC top and bottom finder, price versus while money flow, and trend exhaustion indicators. Really quickly, I'm going to hide all of the lines here. I want to talk about a head and shoulders pattern that almost played out but was officially rejected. So when you see a peak like this, a move down, a larger peak, a move back down to the same structure support, and a move up. This is where a lot of traders, it even happened in our comments section where traders were calling out a head and shoulders pattern. Most often when you see a structure like this, if the price goes up and rejects back down, this is a head and shoulders pattern and is actually bearish, most often resulting in pretty big moves down. A lot of traders were calling for about a $25,000 Bitcoin, somewhere in this range if that were to happen. However, Bitcoin has officially rejected this because it moved above the previous structure resistance right here where the head and shoulders originally was. This right here is the shoulder line, and because Bitcoin pushed above that, the shoulder was rejected and the entire pattern itself was rejected. A lot of traders that were anticipating this head and shoulders to play out were putting in short trades in anticipation of the move down. However, whales decided to pump money back into the market, as we can see from the price versus whale money flow right here, with whale money pushing into the market like crazy. As whales did that, it began to liquidate any short traders that were within this range. As long trades came in and short trades left the market like that, the resistance for moves up became less and less, and as a result, we have got this massive green bar with Bitcoin leading the green charge up after several days of completely red in the crypto market. We are very excited to see this. The Trade Confident account, as I said in the intro, is up $18,000, more than $18,000, and if this price jump continues, we expect to see more and more profits. This move was called out originally because we saw the price versus whale money flow low, the trend exhaustion is low, and we did get a buy signal. It did take a couple of days, but we are seeing the results of that now. These three signals combine to be some of the most bullish you can possibly get in crypto. And just taking a look at how much the price has moved up, we're going to scroll in a little bit. If we go to the opening of the next candle after the buy signal and go to where the price is currently, this is a nearly 7% move. So if you invested $10,000 into this trade, you would have made an extra $700 profit. And currently, we're actually expecting the price to continue up. So if it does reach previous structure resistance, right around the $31,000, that's $1,100 profit. This is really exciting for our traders. As for where I think the price is going next, I really do expect to hit that. Let me actually correct this to match what it said on the metric. 31,050 was the exact number that we had on the support and resistance metric. So that is my current target for the next couple of days. I'll be posting a Bitcoin update on Friday, and from there we can reevaluate after we test that structure resistance. I think it's very likely we could even test 3,200, as this is whole numbers theory after checking out these structure resistances back here. With that said though, $31,050 is where I want everyone to be checking. From candle open, this would be a move of nearly 10%, and from where the price sits currently, this is an additional 4% move up. So if you want to get access to all of these indicators that helped call a move up that earned the Trade Confident account $18,000, I can give you a coupon for up to $400 off right now. And let me show you how to get that. All you got to do is check the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the indicator link is the second one. Go ahead and click that. This will bring you to our indicator page where we have over 4,000 downloads and counting. Now the indicator bundle pack is actually what's going to give you the $400 off coupon for the TC top and bottom finder. All you have to do is click the checkout link here. It'll bring you to the store page. Now the bundle pack itself is already just massive savings. It's valued at $2,241 and it sells for just $399. All you got to do is click I want this, fill out your information here. I'm going to put in a zip code to give the example. Click pay and you will be offered a $400 discount on the TC top and bottom finder. Now this indicator is normally $749 by itself, but if you buy it in combination with the bundle pack, you get it for just $349. If you add this to cart, you'll find that the combination of all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators together is actually cheaper than buying just the TC top and bottom finder alone. From there, again, fill out your information, click pay, and you are ready to go. Again, just checking for that move up to $31,050. We'll give an update on Friday, but in the meantime, you'll want to check out our membership and indicators to stay on top of Bitcoin. With that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the next video.